Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a box opening for my watchgang Black membership watch for May 2019. Before we get to that, you'll see that I am still wearing that Nautis Global Dive. I just did a video on this one. I do like this one. I don't know how much I would change about it, but I like the overall style on this one. Let's see what we got for May. Now, my last few watches have been quartz movements, and I've said, I think, in the last couple videos of box openings that I wish I had an automatic. It's been a while since I've gotten an automatic from Watchgang. So, it'll be interesting to see what we got this month. Did I get an automatic, or is it another quartz watch? Let's take a look here. So we got a card this month. Thanks for supporting the veterans for the Gary Sinise Foundation, which is awesome. 10% proceeds from the Memorial Day Will event will go to benefit U.S. veterans. That's pretty cool. You know, I've used the Wheel of Watches a couple, 2 or 3 times. I probably ought to make a video of going through all the steps. I think I have quite a few points right now. I've just been saving them up, so maybe I'll make a video coming up. All right, now it looks like we've got a Speedo or attack on this box, and I have no clue what company this is. So we've got Chicane. Ooh. I actually like the bright orange when I open the box. Sounds random, but I like the box. That's pretty cool. I like the square case on this one. There's no way that this is going to be an automatic chrono at the $99 tier level. Now, I like the square case. I know that that's not going to be everyone's style. Clearly, it's going to be a quartz movement. What do we have on the back here? All stainless, Japanese movement, water resistant. I actually really like that style of watch. I like the combination of brushed and polished. Let's see if I can pull some of the stickers off really quick here. A little squeaky on the bracelet so far, but it does have nice solid links. Granted, I don't think I've had any hollow links at that Watchgang Black tier level. Honestly, I had just done the review on this one and didn't even talk about the bracelet. At least it had a nice, non-flimsy stamped steel. This one does have a stamped steel as I'm opening it for the latch there, but Chicane. Huh. Man, I actually really like that style. Looks like I'm probably going to have to remove 3 or so links for that one to fit my roughly 7-inch wrist. But I do like that square style. And weirdly, I like, in the last video I was talking about the links being the same as the case. For some reason, I don't mind how this one matches up. I like the shape of the case there. I have no knowledge of Chicane at this point, so I'm going to have to look this one up and get some more info on it. But this was my $99 Watchgang Black membership watch for May. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.